Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the x and 1 minus x squared go to the left, y will go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we need to concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to 1 minus s squared. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of s squared we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u. S, the s we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of that one, we have Ln of the absolute value of y. Now we have the condition. So we put number 0 and number 1 go in here. And this one you got number 0. This one you got number 0. So c equals to number 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.